Hi everyone, this is Giulia. This video will take you through the steps you need to clean correctly your Appia Life XT. So let's get started. First of all, remove the portafilter and purge. Now, use a small brush to keep the group head area clean. Then purge again. Replace the basket with a blind basket and apply some coffee machine cleaner on it. You can use powder, liquid or tablet cleaners. Engage the portafilter and access the display. Press the down arrow key to activate the hamburger menu. Then press OK to start navigating. Scroll down with the arrow key, then select the washing option by pressing OK. Now press OK again to activate the group's washing feature. The continuous keys of the groups will start flashing. Select the group you need to clean by pressing its own button and start the cycle. At the end of the cleaning cycle, all the continuous keys will start flashing again. Remove the portafilter and all coffee machine cleaner deposits. Now, select the group to activate the rinse cycle. We're done for today. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and feel free to post any questions or comments in the section below. Please follow Nuova Simonelli on social media to keep up to date with the latest news about products and events. Thanks everybody for tuning in.